Hi everyone, welcome to another episode. Folding bikes have emerged as the preferred option for city dwellers, frequent travelers, and individuals with limited space in today's multimodal environment. So to determine which was the best, we had already chosen a few bikes based on factors including price, component quality, and our combined experiences with models that were comparable. All things considered, these are the best folding bikes to buy now. ZiZZO Campo. With its all-terrain 20-inch tires, ZiZZO's Campo folds up nicely for use even if you decide to take an off-road shortcut. The Campo incorporates a magnetic catcher for a safe fold with no loose pieces, just as the Dahon alternative. Despite weighing only 13 kg, the aluminum bike can support riders up to 109 kg and 190 centimeters in height. With 7 speeds on its grip-style gear lever, it's the ideal bike for novices to ease into riding uphill. It is praised by reviewers as an excellent entry-level folding bike that is easy to fold and unfold and provides pleasant riding. Many people don't mind the weight because they always carry their Campo with them. Skilled riders choose to pack it for vacations and use it on planes. After using it on various terrain, several people attest to the all-terrain tires. Ktaxon. The bike is fully assembled. All you need to do is open the packaging. In contrast to other standard folding bicycles, this one has a handlebar that folds for easier storage in the trunk or other convenient location. This bike's adjustable handlebar and seat let you set it to the ideal height for your height, making it suitable for nearly all age groups. It is perfect for outdoor riding, biking in parks, and commuting. Also, for unparalleled endurance, the premium high-carbon steel composition is paired with superior welding technology. Its unique lockout suspension fork and shock-absorbing frame create a double shock effect for a more comfortable ride. Its expanded seat, which is composed of imitation leather and can be loaded evenly while riding, is incredibly comfy. Its TX30 shift lever and TZ500 derailleur also let you smoothly transfer gears with just a button push. Both the braking effect and the braking reaction are enhanced by the strong mechanical twin-disc brakes as well. Luckeep. This Luckeep electric bike is ideal for commuting and leisure rides. Experience the power of the Bafang motor, which is engineered for better heat dissipation and a longer lifespan than standard motors. With the help of its strong and effective 750W high-speed brushless motor, you can ride farther and climb hills with ease. In pedal assist mode, you can cover up to 60 miles of trip. Additionally, you can simply adjust your riding speed with the twist grip throttle and cruise adjust. These adult electric bikes also have the BMS system, which offers 14 different forms of safety and extends the life of the battery by making it safer. With the help of the smartphone app, you can take charge of your ride. You can personalize the settings on your foldable electric bike, keep an eye on your riding progress, and even share your ranking list and riding history with friends. Keyless unlocking is made possible by the anti-theft remote controller, and theft is discouraged by the alarm system. Plus, it features front and rear hydraulic disc brakes that are more durable and sensitive than mechanical brakes, offering 50% less stopping power and braking distance reduction. Meanwhile, bumps won't be an issue thanks to the front fork's high-strength carbon steel construction with rebound and lock features. Goudergo. With 21 speeds to suit your varied riding needs, this foldable bicycle is constructed of premium high-carbon steel and aluminum alloy. It will ride smoothly with you over a variety of terrains and provide you with a whole new sort of pleasure. With the use of fish scale welding, heat treatment, and spraying, a high-carbon steel frame and an aluminum alloy rim could operate well for an extended period of time and support up to 264.5 pounds of weight. You can easily get 21 various speeds by selecting different gears thanks to the additional 3 front and 7 rear gears. Also, the 7-piece Terran is smooth and agile, enabling precise gear shifting on a variety of terrains. Apart from that, even on uneven dirt, sand, and mountain roads, the bike's U-shaped front fork and rear shock absorber can absorb the majority of vibration, resulting in a more stable riding experience. The tires have a considerable amount of shock absorption due to their flexibility. People who stand 5.5 to 5.9 feet tall can ride on a variety of terrain, including muddy, uneven, grassy, mountainous, sandy, and more. Brompton A Line, efficient, sturdy, and simple, a 3-speed Brompton is frequently disregarded despite being an excellent option for commuting or recreational riding. The hub of your Brompton's back wheel houses those 3 gears securely. A manufacturer by the name of Sturmey Archer has been producing this 3-speed hub for decades. It has continued to be produced because it is strong, long-lasting, and practically maintenance-free. Most riders will be able to enjoy flat to somewhat hilly rides over short to moderate distances with a 3-speed because it has enough gear range. You can carry your bike everywhere you go thanks to the Brompton's foldable design, and if you run out of steam, you have easy options. The trunk of a vehicle on any public transportation, or just to enjoy the journey no matter how long it takes. Vivi Electric. This electric bicycle has a 500W steady power high-speed brushless motor, which is more than enough to fulfill your everyday travel demands and get you where you're going swiftly. With its professional 7-speed gear, climbing is made easy. It is important to note that the disc brakes on the front and rear axle have been adjusted to increase their effectiveness and sensitivity. With its 20-hour skid tires, high-quality aluminum alloy wheels, and twin shock absorbers, the e-bike can handle a variety of road conditions with more stability and adaptability. The lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame of the Vivi folding electric bike allows for quick folding and easy storage. You can fit it easily in any car, saving you a ton of room. Double-walled aluminum alloy is used to create the bike rims, which provide increased durability and a faster ride with reduced drag. Additionally, the e-bike tube contains the battery. So, in order to remove the battery and prevent theft, you must first fold the e-bike before you can remove the battery and bring it home to recharge. When all 3 modes are used together, the journey can cover about 22 to 50 kilometers.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.